Hi guys, today we are going to make Thai chicken satay. Just about everyone has heard about Thai street food.
Yeah, I heard it. I like chicken sticks.
Well, this Thai chicken satay recipe captures the essence of basic Thai street food. They are really easy to make and taste fantastic. Let's go and learn how to make unbeatable Thai barbecue chicken sticks. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Thai street food chicken sticks are usually cooked over charcoal in a makeshift barbecue. The charcoal and smoke definitely add to the taste, but you can cook very well in an air fryer. So let's do it! For marinade, we need
Chicken breast or thighs. Coconut milk. Coriander seed.
good girl,
Cumin seed.
good girl.
Soy sauce. Curry powder.
Wow,
Palm sugar.
good girl.
So,
For making sauce, we need
coconut milk. Peanut butter.
good girl.
Palm sugar.
Oh,
Evaporated milk.
good. What about this one? Rice.
Flour.
Ooh, massaman paste.
Massaman paste. Vegetable stock. Chili paste.
Wow, and
Salt.
I forgot to put tamarind paste in for 1.5 tablespoons. For dipping sauce, we need
Vinegar. Water. Sugar. Shallot. Cucumber. 3 chili bags is red, orange, and green.
and
So, a little bit of salt.
for barbecue, we need
Skewers. And coconut milk.
coconut grated mixed with pandanus leaf to get the smoke from charcoal and add taste to the chicken.
Why did mommy soak it in water?
Because we want to make the skewer moist, absorb water, and when we do the barbecue and the skewer not get burned. That's why. Is that a great idea?
Yeah.
For this process, for the marinade process, I will show you how to cut the chicken thighs and chicken breast. For chicken thighs, you need to take the bone out first. And the bone you can keep for making chicken stock. Chicken thighs, I prefer to keep the skin on because the skin tastes nice and I like the skin. So cut it into bite size. Cut it in half like that. Leave it here for now. And for the chicken breast, I prefer to take the skin out because the skin is not really stick to the meat well like the chicken thighs. And then we cut it out half first. Then I slice it up like that. to marinate the chicken, we need to roast it, the coriander seed, cumin seed, and pound it into powder. And then we will mix in the mixed bowl with coconut milk, soy sauce, palm sugar, and curry powder. So you can marinate for 2 hours, or you can just left it overnight. The more you marinate it, the more the chicken absorbs to the ingredient and make your chicken sauté very yummy. For this time, I marinate it overnight, put in the fridge for overnight, because I don't want it to waste your time. And that's what it looks like. To making peanut sauce, add coconut milk, peanut butter, palm sugar, then turn the heat on. The reason that I heat it up first, it will mix it together easily. And then we will thicken it with the rice flour. You need to stirring up, otherwise it's turn to the lump. And then turn the heat off and let it cool down. To making dipping sauce, we need to heat the water up first. Once the water boils, I will add vinegar, white sugar and salt and stir it up until the white sugars melt. Then we will leave it cool and then we will add chilies, cucumber and shallots. The white sugar will balance the acid from vinegar. White sugar, salt, it's ready now. Then let it cool down. Now we're going to add the other ingredient, vegetable stock, evaporated milk, massaman paste, chili paste, and salt. Mix them well. So once the peanut sauce is boiling, that's ready. We turn the heat off. Oh, I forget to taste it. Flavor has to be sweet, sour, and a little bit spicy. A little bit of salt. Tamarind paste. And don't worry, the recipe will be in my website. The sauce is a little bit thick. Thin it down by adding coconut milk, or you can add vegetable stock. I need more sugar. You can use palm sugar or brown sugar. Perfect! Peanut sauce is done. Prepared vegetable for dipping sauce. Put the vinegar into the bowl and then add the vegetable. That's it. It's done for dipping sauce. Sweet vinegar, slowly cool down. Shallot, cucumber, colorful chili. This is the way to put the stick in chicken. Prepare for barbecue. Here we go. We have done our skewers and we'll take it outside to do the barbecue. Let's make some smoke with dried coconut and pandan nuts to make it tasty. Hi, Katie. Baste your chicken with coconut milk before putting on the barbecue to stop them going dry. Then baste frequently as you barbecue. You can't barbecue indoors, so I experiment with my air fryer. Place your chicken in the fryer at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Shortening the sticks will fit more in. After 5 minutes, baste the tops with coconut milk, turn over and baste again. Baste both sides once more after a few more minutes. Wow, they come out really great. Warm naan bread on the barbecue if you like. Here I'm barbecuing sticky rice. You see the link to the video above. The chicken satay tastes great with the peanut sauce and the pickles taste great too. They help clean your mouth in between bites. See you next video.